Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question for JEE Main exam. This is the topic is dual nature of matter and radiation. The question says, when the wavelength of radiation falling on metal is changed from 500 nanometer to 200 nanometer, the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons becomes 3 times larger. The work function of the metal is close to 0.52 electron volt, 1.02 electron volt, 0.61 electron volt, 0.81 electron volt. Here we are given lambda 1 is equals to 500 nanometer and lambda 2 is equals to 200 nanometer. Kinetic energy 2 is 3 times kinetic energy 1. Now the kinetic energy is given by H upon Hc by lambda minus work function. So K1 will be equals to Hc by lambda 1 minus work function. Similarly, K2 will be equals to Hc by lambda 2 minus work function. Now we know that K2 is 3 times K1, so I multiply K1 by 3. So 3K1 is equals to 3Hc upon lambda 1 minus 3 times work function. 3K1 can be written as K2, that is equals to Hc by lambda 2 minus work function is equals to 3Hc by lambda 1 minus 3 times work function. Now we solve this. So 3 work function on left side will become 2 times work function is equals to 3Hc upon lambda 1 minus Hc upon lambda 2. So 2 times work function is equals to Hc. 3 upon lambda 1 was 500 nanometer minus 1 upon 200 nanometer, that is 1 upon 10 to the power minus 9. The value was given in terms of nanometer. So work function will be equals to H. The value of H 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. C is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Here the LCM is 1000. 6 minus 5 into 10 to the power 9. I have taken 2 in the denominator of right hand side. So on solving this is 6.63. This is 34 upon 2 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 34 plus 8 minus 3 plus 9. So on completely solving this comes out to be 0.62 electron volt. So now we see in the options, to convert this value to electron volt, we will divide whole result by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Now in the option C is giving 0.61 electron volt. Hence option C is the correct answer. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.